Once that's completed, if you need resources, if the department needs resources, go to the Annual Resource Request tab and open up the form. You'll notice I have one ARR already entered for this strategy. This is what we put in last year. As indicated in the header, please do not edit any of the previously entered ARRs. They've already been prioritized and have been given a final disposition. So we want to leave these as they are. You will be adding new ARRs. So hit the green circle with the white cross and then fill out the form the same as we have done in the past. This is the description and this is the justification. The request type, please take note that there has been a slight change in the request type categories in that technology has been broken down into technology hardware and technology software. There is a document in the right side data view that's called request type category details. If you have hardware or software to request, please read through this document because it gives information in terms of what you need to enter in the ARR to assure that those that are prioritizing understand what it is that you need. All right, so once that's done, you'll then put in the request year. Very important that you indicate 2024 to 25. Any other request year will not be prioritized. Then put in the cost estimates for the current year, any ongoing costs, if the ARR is dependent upon funding from another request. If so, you'll need to explain here, the department priority, rationale category if appropriate, the impact of the request, department, division, wing, or campus-wide. If you're in student services, or I should say support services, identify the funding category, list any other strategies that this ARR supports. So in other words, if you're asking for something that will support more than one strategy, list the other strategy here. The last field, please leave blank. This is for the Office of IE to put the unique number of the ARR. Once that's completed, you'll hit save and then close. If you need to request something that you request in the prior year and it's listed here as do not edit, we do not have the ability to simply copy this over to a new ARR. So you'll need to enter it as new, but we do have all of the information that you need in this ARR export. So in this export, you'll be able to filter by your department, by your division. So in my case, I'm in kinesiology and athletics. And then indicate do not edit 22-23, and you'll see all of the ARRs that were entered for your department, and you can copy and paste. So you can see all of the information is there. So we still have the availability of copying ARRs from prior years. It's just that the way that we do it is slightly different. Now that I've saved my ARR, you can see that it's listed here. So for each strategy, say that I had 3 ARRs for this strategy for this year, I should see 3 different 23, 24, and what the resource is. You'll then need to do this for each of your strategies. And if you want a quick way to get to another strategy, if you select the header up here, it will list the short description of all of them. And then you can simply select it and it will take you to that strategy, where again, start by reviewing the strategy. Once that's done, enter the update. And then if resources are needed, enter an ARR. Please let us know if you have any questions. We're here to help, and thanks for watching.